Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome on AlmaLinux 9. Chrome doesn't come pre-installed on AlmaLinux and it's not in the default repositories either. So we'll need to grab it directly from Google. Don't worry, it's a quick process. Let's jump right in. First, open up your terminal. Before installing anything new, it's always good practice to update your system first. Type sudo dnf update -y. Enter your password if asked for. This makes sure all your existing packages are current, which helps avoid dependency issues later. Now let's download the actual Chrome installer. Google provides an RPM package we can grab directly with the wget method. This downloads the latest stable version of Chrome straight from the Google servers. Now our RPM file is finished downloading. Now we'll install using DNF, which also automatically handles any dependencies. Type this command and hit enter. Using DNF instead of RPM here is important. It resolves dependencies for us automatically so we don't run into any missing library errors. Confirm that everything is installed successfully. You can type google-chrome-stable --version. As you can see, we have the latest stable version of Google Chrome installed. You can launch Chrome two ways. We'll start from the terminal. Type google-chrome-stable. As you can see, Google Chrome has been successfully installed. We can also launch it from the Applications Manager. And that's it. You've got Google Chrome up and running on AlmaLinux 9. If this video helped you out, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.